I'll be right here. So after those 3 takeoffs and landings, just tell tower like I need to go pick up my instructor, and they'll come back to you.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
You ready?
Good. All good.
All right, brother.
We got it.
Good luck. Can you hold that?
After the southern Glenville tanks, I'll be heading to southeast towards 60. 555 Charlie, Roger, just advise me. Kelly 23, make right close traffic, runway 19 right, clear for the option.
Right close traffic, 19 right, clear for the option, Kelly 23.
Riverside Tower, Skelly 10 is ready for 19 left, student solo.
Skelly 10, solo, Riverside Tower, pull up and hold short of runway 19 left.
Holding short of 19 left for Skelly 10.
Skelly 50, make right close traffic, runway 19 right, clear for takeoff.
Right close traffic, 19 right, clear for takeoff, Skelly 50.
Skelly 10, solo, runway 19 left, and line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 19 left, student solo, Skelly 10.
Skelly 10, solo, follow Archer upwind, runway 19 left, clear for takeoff.
We'll follow that Archer on upwind, 19 left, clear for takeoff, Skelly 10 solo.
Skelly 23, 1 departure, Seminole, taking the runway.
Departure, that's Seminole's taking the runway for Skelly 23.
Airspeed's live.
Pipeline 5, Romeo Charlie, traffic departing off of runway 19 right and right close traffic, Seminole.
Seminole in sight on main, just on the west side of center line, 5 Romeo Charlie.
Pipeline 5, Romeo Charlie, roger, additional traffic, Archer, turning left crosswind now, and behind them also, and left close traffic, upwind currently off the parallel, and left close traffic.
The traffic is at Pipeline 5 Romeo Charlie.
Skelly 10 solo is traffic, heading to your right, low level sky and lane, pipeline maneuvering has you in sight.
I've got that traffic in sight for Skelly 10 solo.
Skelly 50, traffic pipeline, just below you now, low level, eastbound, has you in sight. Skelly 7, number 1, runway 19 left, clear for the option.
We're number 1, 19 left, clear for the option.
Alright, green.
Skelly
Switches.
50, runway 19 right, clear to land.
Mixture set.
Clear to land.
After takeoff, checklist complete.
Skelly 10, number 2, runway 19 left, clear for the option.
Number 2, clear for the option, Skelly 10 solo. 19 left.
Riverside Tower, Skelly 17, 5 miles to the southeast, entering a 19er left, Skelly 17.
Skelly 17, Riverside Tower, and a left downwind, runway 19 left, you're falling in Archer, beam Tulsa Tech.
Left downwind, 19er left, falling in Archer, Skelly 17.
Skelly 23, follow Seminole over Tulsa Hills, runway 19 right, clear for the option.
We'll follow that Seminole 19 right, clear for the option. And can we request short approaches for this one for Skelly 23?
Skelly 23, affirmative for now, I'll call your crosswind.
You'll call my crosswind, Skelly 23.
Skelly 23, crosswind
I've got
discretion.
this. I've got
Crosswind
this.
Skelly 23.
By
Skelly
myself.
23, short approaches are approved until further advised.
All right, short approaches approved. Thank you, Skelly 23.
Riverside Tower, Skelly 10, just verify this is my parallel on short final.
Skelly 10, affirmative, there for the parallel.
Thank you, Skelly 10.
Riverside Tower, pipeline 5, Romeo Charlie, white tanks ready, transition eastbound.
Skyline 5, Romeo Charlie, roger, and will you be going to the Delta eastbound?
Affirmative, I'll be in the Delta for about 1 more minute.
Pipeline 5, Romeo Charlie, roger, and traffic departing off of runway 19er left, upwind.
Booking 5, Romeo Charlie.
And Riverside Tower, this will be a full stop for Skelly 7.
Skelly 7, roger, perfect. Make right close traffic, runway 19er right, follow on the Archer over Tulsa Hills, number 2, runway 19er right, clear to land, short approach approved.
Second right traffic for 19 right, follow that Archer, and short approach approved, Skelly 7.
Skelly 7, you'll see the Skylane off your nose. They're maneuvering and they're eastbound.
Negative contact, we'll keep an eye out though, Skelly 7.
Sky 7, roger, they're low level.
Riverside Tower, Scott 369er Tango Whiskey over Sapulpa, instructed about 3,000, inbound Riverside for the uniform.
Skelly 50, turn Alpha 3, contact ground.
Turn off on Alpha 3, contact ground, Skelly 50.
Skelly 17, runway 19er left, clear to land.
9 left, clear to land, Riverside Tower, this is going to be full stop.
So 369 Tango Whiskey, Riverside Tower, roger, and you can start descending to pattern altitude at your discretion. Enter right downwind, runway 19er right.
Right downwind for 19er right, 9er Tango Whiskey, thank you.
Skelly 10 solo, turn left runway 31, runway 19er left, taxi Zulu.
Left on 3-1, taxi via Zulu, student solo, Skelly 10. For 19 left.